all of this is about chicken.
The customers.
Which Popeye we should go? The convoy or the one up here? There's two of them. Do you know?
I bet there's a Long John Silver. Long John Silver Street Dam. Tuna Street Spicy Sandwich. It's on the county door. I think it's.
Okay. How much was that?
And I wonder.
There's a lot of Asian.
Hey, no laughing. This is serious business.
Alright, so my question is what's up with dog meat?
Dog meat is tasty. It looks tasty, isn't it? Yeah. We're gonna make a stew out of this stuff.
I'm a god. I'm Nixon. I'm Nixon.
I don't know anything about history of dog eating.
And the spine. Oh, it is much bigger, as you can feel it. Our dogs are fed quality meat. Our dogs are fed with meat.
Do you need to make like a big fur coat with those ears?
About
Like about how many dogs?
300.
What do you think about dog meat?
Well, as a third generation apprentice dog meat farmer, I personally love and enjoy farming dog meat.
So the first question is what do you think about dog meat?
It's just not a protein.
Here at Chengtu Farms, all we do is farm dog meat. Dog meat has many uses. Dogs' meat products and bodily fluids have many uses. For example, dog spinal fluid is recorded to be 3 times more effective than Viagra as an aphrodisiac.
Anything other than it's another protein?
I don't know. It's just meat.
So what do you think about the practice of the manufacturing of the dog meat itself?
Manufacturing dog meat for an artisanal, dog meat farmer, it is quite humane. In fact, let us show you some of our quality examples. Bring it in. You see, this example here, this is artisanal, third generation bred dog. You see, as you can see, its legs slightly larger. You see the meat, there's more of it. And the spine, oh, it is much bigger, as you can feel it. Now, this is so we can get the most profit out of our dogs. And we let them age for 10 years until we harvest them very humanely. Now, I can't show you a practice of harvesting, as that would likely get us banned. However, I can assure you, it is very humane.
What do you think about? Do you think it's ethical treatment of dogs when they die and stuff?
Ethical treatment of the dog?
Yeah. Do you think it's ethical?
I don't know. It's depend on which culture you talk about. There's so many different culture.
I guess you're right.
Some people like cat more than dog, so they will kill the dog.
As you can see, this dog here, you see, the vocal cords, they're used in flute parts. So, these guys, you see how big his neck is? That's why. Now, they live very healthy, happy lives until we harvest them. We harvest them when they become older because clients do like aged dog parts.
What do you think about the history of dog eating?
I don't know anything about history of dog eating.
Oh.
I guess when people get hungry, they will eat. They will eat human too.
Thank you for Mr. Chang for coming on today's show.
You're welcome.
After 6 years of constant pestering, he was the only one who respond to our invitation. Anything you want to say, Mr. Chang?
Can I plug my products?
Yeah, go ahead.
All right, nice. You can find my products at artisanal Chang2 Dog Meat Farms at .com, and if you use the code DOGMEAT1, you get a 3.6% discount on Home Depot leather gloves. Think about that the next time you buy some Home Depot leather gloves.
So, do you have any other things to say about dog meat eating?
Well, I guess when people in different society, different country, doing better and better, people was more moving into middle class, then the dog won't be killed and eat.
Alright.
That's it.
So, thank you for coming on the show. Any other thing you want to say? Anything you want to, plug?
You know, cat just got in just as many as dog.
Alright, here's a little more. Dog meat is a meat that's eaten around the world. Each culture has its own beliefs and practices. For example, some people part of Yulin's dog eating culture believe that dogs have medicinal qualities, noting that the strongest medicinal strength of dog meat is derived from the most tortured dogs. On the contrary, Korea's dog eating cultures prepare a special breed of dog, like livestock, to be slaughtered and eaten. Asian, African, and Native American dog eating cultures started many thousands of years ago, but some dog eating cultures started relatively recently, mostly in response to war or famine. Today, dog eating and dog meat is still a very highly controversial topic.
I ran onto the street, and you're telling me you failed it?
Yeah, I fucked up the line.
Okay.
Okay, take 10. Oh my fuck.
We're gonna take 8.
I like how you just start booking it down the fucking street.
Delectable. Are you gonna advertise Popeye chicken?
The thing is, I need...
Artisanal. Artisanal, you know, dog. Artisanal. It's an artisan dog. As you can see, the Chad growling and barking. You see the vocal cords of a dog. The vocal
That is crunchy.
Better than KFC.